Breaker 19, this here's rubber duck suits. Eastbound and down with a load of regrets and cheap caffeine. Lot lizards, y'all copy? Smokey's riding my ass again. If you can't truck it, fuck it, let's roll! Shaking like a fat girl on a mechanical bull. Got dashboard Jesus swinging, fuzzy dice looking dough. CB radio blaring, breaker 19, got a bear in the air. I'm hauling frozen chickens and a heart full of despair. Wife left me for a Walmart manager back in Abilene. Now I'm hitched to this highway in a thermos of gasoline dreams. Boots and cats, diesel in the tank, like lizards dancing at the truck stop, doing the CB crank. If you can't truck it, fuck it, drop the hammer down. Smokey's on my tail, but I'm gone, gone, gone. Breaker 19, 10-4, good buddy. Rubber on the road and love on my mud flaps, honey. Yeehaw. Skirt, skirt. Gear jamming boogie, this big old rig's rolling like a hillbilly in a hoochie coochie. Pulled into the Flying J, neon lights flashing pink. Old hole stumbled over from the booby bungalow, didn't even blink. She had 2 teeth and a hump on her back, wearing 6-inch clear stilettos, click-clacking down the blacktop track. She grinned that gummy smile and said, "Hey, big rig, you looking for fun?" I said, "Darling, I got miles, but my wallet just done run." She climbed up the steps like a broke-down rodeo clown, smelling like strawberry vape mixed with regret and cheap cologne. Told me she'd been with drivers from every damn state, while I tried to choke down cold pizza and stay awake. One wanted romance, one wanted to pray. This one just wanted $20 and to make my day. Boots and cats, diesel in the tank, lot lizards dancing at the truck stop, doing the CB crank. If you can't truck it, fuck it, drop the hammer down. Smokey's on my tail, but I'm gone, gone, gone. Breaker 19, 10-4, good buddy. I got a 2-tooth wonder trying to ride in my cab with me. Yeehaw. Skirt, skirt. Double clutching boogie, this 18-wheeler's bumping like a backwoods hoedown movie. Booms, chicken coop in the trailer, got a reefer unit humming louder than this old host failure. Barrett mile marker 69, better slow your roll or you'll be eating gravel with a mouthful of toes. Smokey's got a radar, he's riding dirty tonight. I said, 10-4, rubber duck, I'm running from the light. Old humpback lizard on the CB, hey sugar, you got time? I said, negative, darling, I'm pushing that double nickel line. Yeah, the roads are cruel, mistress, she'll chew you up and spit you out, leave you broke down in the rain with a 2-tooth lizard in your sleeper, no doubt. But when that sunrise hits the hood and the radio plays a tune, you forget about the hump, the tickets, and the blue. So here's to all you gear jammers, you kings of the interstate, hauling dreams and diesel, trying not to meet your fate. When the lot lizard's ugly and the nights get long, just holler the motto: if you can't truck it, fuck it, move on. Boots and cats, diesel in the tank. Old 2-tooth hole still click-clacking, doing the CB crank. If you can't truck it, fuck it, let them big wheels spin. This is the greatest trucker song, now let the madness begin. Breaker 19, we out. 10-4, good buddy, keep it between the lines and the ditches.